Hi guys, so it's Sunday the 18th and we're back with another snack box.
So we've got his favourite daddy and daughter Snackcrate, the smaller one.
Yeah.
So again, we don't know what's in it. Today I'll open it with a scissors.
Yeah.
We had a lot of people saying that it was a bit touch and go with Gemma last time.
What do you mean?
I thought it nearly cut my throat.
Oh.
So we don't know what it is yet. But looking, peeking in box, I'm guessing Sweden.
You saw, didn't you?
I'm sure we've done Sweden.
I'm guessing.
We have, haven't we? We've done Sweden, but we did it in the family size box from the snack surprise. Oh my goodness. So dogs decide to start.
You liar.
What do you mean you liar?
It's Sweden.
That's what I just said.
You said I'm sure we've done Sweden.
We have, we did it in the big box. It was the first box we did from that big snack surprise one where we all did it together. Anyway, so this is the smaller one. So, oh great, I can already see things we like, if this is it. So that's, I like Daim. So it's just 6 items again. So so we've got, what's that one, Gemma?
Show me. You're not wrong size, Maya. This
No,
is
because we're a mini one, this one.
But that's in there.
Oh, bloody hell. With condoms. Seems that ain't even in, is it?
Where?
I don't know what they've sent us here, but none of things are on. So anyway, so we've got that one to taste.
Yeah.
We've got some Cheeze Doodles.
It's this side.
So we're original, I'm sure we want mini one. We've got some
Wait, what?
Skalle.
There's a Daim bar, that's in mini and
Daim bar, which we know we like because I eat them. There's actually a Latte limited edition of them come out in England, so they're nice as well.
I'm guessing they've mixed it up. They've put some original and they've put some mini in here.
She's guessing that. Oh, this looks nice, a Plopp. A Plopp bar.
That's got cameras like that.
Plopp doesn't sound right good though, does it? It sounds like something you do when you go to the toilet.
They must have mixed it up.
So as usual, we've got the telling us all about the facts, which we'll dot around if we can. I'm not sure green screen's going to work today because it's daytime and this side looks darker than that side, so I might have problems today. If I don't have problems, that'll be the background. That'll just appear there. And I like that pattern too, so that might have appeared before that one. So, we like to keep these fast and furious, don't we?
Yep.
So what we're going to do first then?
We'll do the Bilar.
The what?
Bilar.
That's the Bilar, that.
That's
I said we go
normal.
for crispy things first, like these are. Let's get crisp that way. So we do Cheeze Doodles. So Cheeze
They're not
Doodles.
even on here.
We don't know what we've done today. So that's the box.
Half of them aren't
That's the
even
box
on
we
there.
get is mini. Alright, calm down.
No, 2 of them 2 aren't on there.
So you're saying these aren't on?
No. They've mixed it up. Look, we've got the Daim bar. We haven't got any of them.
Right, so these aren't on the list, but they're thrown in, so I'm not sure whether they are from Sweden or not.
I
But
can't read that one.
We'll give it a go anyway. These, again, as we always say, they always look like what's it's to us. Or cheese puffs to her. But, you're
It
having...
smells cheese.
Oh, it's got on my nose again. Cheers. You can't really go wrong with cheese puffs, can you?
What are you doing?
So what do you think of them then?
I like them.
Yeah, just your normal cheese puffs, that though. Can't understand what they've done here though, can you?
No.
Your pigs attacked you. So again, this one's not on the list.
We're just gonna have to guess the flavour.
I like parmesan. Don't know whether these are crisps as well. Yeah, they just look like our normal type of crisps. They used to on the puffs.
Cheese again, I think.
What was it said? Parmesan.
Oh.
I'll try and find some extra information about them.
They must have mixed it up today.
They might have just run out and just bunged something else in. They're alright, that would be easy. You know we like us crisps. And now we're going to try this one. You want to open that one on camera? It says Bub's Scale. Chewy skull-shaped gummies that have the delicious tangy flavour of fresh.
I can't really open it.
A tangy flavour of fresh
Ooh.
picked raspberries. Have one, don't have them all.
They look, they smell.
They remind me of them lousy monkeys we had once. Yeah, they're nice. Nice and tangy, and this is one of us 5 a day in it, fruit.
They're alright.
I like them. Got a mouthful.
Have you?
Still some time in while I chew.
We haven't even been reading them.
I have read it.
Oh, have you? Have
There's
you
that
read
one we're
that?
going to be doing next, Bilar.
Right, this is... Right. Don't make me choke again. Right,
It's early.
so this says, accidentally created in 1953 during an attempt to produce marshmallows. These are light and chewy candies are moulded into the shape of little cars.
You remember doing them on big one we did? Because I went.
They just smell like them milky things.
Yeah. Yeah, these are just.
They taste like them milky things, you know, from Haribo.
Well, they're not as nice as the other ones, are they? They're boring to me. So I'm going to give that a medium.
So, wait,
So we've only got 2 more to go. We're doing well.
Plopp now. Right.
I think we could have done with a better name. So what's it say about Plopp?
A milk chocolate candy bar filled with decadent caramel. Each bar is cut into little squares, perfect for sharing with a friend or not.
Oh, perfect. So it's 2 bars of freeing. Cheers.
I like that.
Oh, I like plopping. What's it taste like? God, how many are you eating?
I'm not sure. think it tastes like?
I don't know about what we've got that's similar.
That was good.
So Plopp was a success, wasn't it? We like a good Plopp.
The next one we're going to try is a Daim bar. We have these anyway, so what it says, originally known as
Daim.
Jam. This snack features almond caramel covered in rich milk chocolate. So good you'll be saying, oh damn. Where did I get that?
Excuse me, do you remember
So,
your first
I already
Daim?
eat loads of these.
The first Daim bar you ever had. Do you remember it? Daim
Mum
bar?
likes them.
Daim
Tastes like
bar?
a cracker.
Hello? Well, thanks for joining us.
You should try coffee if I do.
Crisp banana and sweet
They have
milk
coffee
chocolate.
for it.
Never forget your first Daim.
That bloke's a nutter.
We could try one. I don't remember doing a bite one.
They never taste like this.
No.
This tastes like a cracker.
You can try out like a cracker. So I'm gonna pause it while I go get. So
Oh,
I've got a secret stash of sweets what I take to work to keep me going. So everything we just showed you then, that were all the Sweden, so that were a good box, wasn't it? We enjoyed most of that. But before we go, this is the latest Daim bar that's over here, special edition, latte flavour. So I've tried it, I've had loads of these. So just going to give Gemma a try. It smells really strong of latte. It's nice, isn't it?
Is it supposed to taste like a latte?
Yeah, it does.
Does
That's
it?
what my lattes taste like. You don't drink latte. So,
I like it.
so that latte one wasn't included in this box. A bit disappointed that some of the things weren't on the label. So,
Is it caramel?
well, the caramel's in it anyway. No, you eating it all. So thanks for watching again. Hope you enjoyed that Dad and Daughter special. And we'll see you next time, won't we?
Yeah. Bye.
Bye. Which way is that? Daim bar for me.
This and
Just on the Daim bar.